smile for me. Oh, thank you. Oh, like, don't look there.
Coffee, London? Hazelnut coffee. Sorry? No coffee. She does the grandma look.
Ava, make sure you put that back, okay? Because those are expensive. Those like $30.
Okay.
Oh my god, my toilet is showing.
Okay. No, you won't.
Make sure you to put them back, okay? I got you. So what's gonna happen if it keeps on like that?
Not much. You just need a new. You probably need a new motor.
Oh, okay.
Eventually.
But we're not gonna explode.
But it's more for them. Like,
Go on my back. Oh, my hand.
Hmm.
So yeah, they have to do what you did basically. Just
Careful, Ava.
just unplug
The
it.
one that she took. Oh, she did return it. Where are you? I found you there. I thought you were hiding again. Where is Tito Paul? Tito Paul not here?
I don't know.
A nice room. What are those tigers and them? Oh wow, 66 room. Oh, his bike is here. Nice. He knows where to hide his bike. I don't know where Tito Paul. I haven't seen Tito Paul for many days now. So what grade are you now? What grade are you now, Ava?
Grade 1.
Oh, you're grade 1. Something's wrong with our heater, so they have it's still good. They're saying it's still good for another 3 months. But and then after that the motor is noisy now. We had to buy a new motor. It's still working, but it's noisy. Okay, so this is the heater of our house. So, and this is the one that's basically running it. Yeah, and so the heat goes up to the first floor. This is the basement. There's washing machine, and there's my dryer. Okay, so this is the part of my basement. We are looking on Kimberly's baby picture, and I just find out that there's actually no more baby picture. That's Kimberly when she was little. She was 1 year old. That's Kimberly in the Philippines, but that's Kimberly too, growing up. That's Kimberly. That's Kimberly. That's Kimberly. Baby picture of Kimberly. Kimberly. Oh, what is that? That's 9 Filipino. Where's a picture in 9 Filipino? And that's the LRT. Yeah.
Do you guys rent the hot water tank?
Actually, that one is no longer.
It's not rented? You guys
No.
own it now?
It was owned by the previous owner.
Okay.
You know the ones that from there before? We were renting that for $18. Started at $11 and then, yeah, it's actually 2 years because that's Kimberly when she turned. How old is Kimberly here? I think she turned 3 here. That's Aubrey there. That's Christine. Look at them. Their pictures when they were small. Kimberly was 2 years old here. 2 years and November. 2 years and 3 months. Hey, that's a baby picture. I got it. She's probably 2 years here. 1996. The building behind is the first building that we live in. Yeah, Kimberly was 2 years here. And yeah, that's the birthday party. It's not even Jack. It's Jackie.
Oh, well, whatever. It's fine now.
Well, they could. Can I video you? Bye, Ava. Thanks for visiting. You came here on by yourself? And then, what's your name? Andre came. Huh?
Andre's in the truck.
Oh, where? Okay. Okay, bye. Where's Aiden?
He's still inside. I haven't left yet.
Okay, bye. Bye. So in addition to the clothes I bought for his daughter, for my son's son, I'm gonna be buying something else. I'm actually at Toys R Us right now, and I'm gonna, no, not yet though. It's maybe I'm thinking of buying a sterilizer. No breast pump. Feeding, vicious colic gas. No. Baby soaker. You know, I could imagine they're gonna soaker in here. So boy, or a receiving blanket. You know, so many things you could buy. Receiving blanket. Yeah, maybe it's 20 bucks. Not bad. A diaper. How do you call this? Diaper keeper. You know when for the soil diaper? Yeah. Diaper pail. But I didn't know these are cheap here. So these are like only $10. Yeah, she asked for a crib, but apparently somebody is already giving a crib, which is my daughter, Aubrey. They'll grow out of it, the crib. What are this? These are blankets. Oh, this guy here. I don't know, what should I buy? Should I buy this one? It's $2.39. They could put it in here, or yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna give this one after, maybe it's good, no? So he could use it after until his 6 months or a year. Yeah, I'll get this one. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this one. I'm gonna be buying this for Levi. Hopefully it would be useful to them. Yeah. Since we already has a crib, or we bought a crib for them. And I'm gonna be kept this one. Love it. Thank you so much. Wow. That's a funny bag. Oh my god. Now I have my gifts. So where's the exit? Good evening. Good morning everyone. I'm not Queen and Butters. I'm here to pick up the cake. And I just noticed that the place is really nice. I'm looking for an address 85. You said it's on this within this. It's all. My God. Around 70 to 80. Okay. Oh, it's all condos here. Right now I'm waiting for them. I'm just at the lobby. So these are the two cakes. I ordered one and Christine ordered this is by the cake is made by The Nice, handmade with love. The Nice, and the other cake was made by Sweets by Christine. Isn't that so nice? Levi. Too bad I can't come because I have to go to work today. So unfortunately I cannot come, but a happy baby shower to Kimberly. Thanks for watching.